Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Through Story. I am your storyteller. Today, we have a simple and happy story for you. This story is Level A2. It is for beginners. The name of the story is The Broken Bike and the Rainy Day. Are you ready? Let's learn together. Before we start, let's look at 6 important words. Listen and look at the book. Suddenly. Definition. Happening very fast, without planning. Puncture. Definition. A hole in a bicycle tire, so the air comes out. Tool. Definition. An object you use to fix or make things. Borrow. Definition. To take something from someone and give it back later. Fortunately. Definition. Happily or luckily, something good happens. Decide. Definition. To choose what you will do, to make a choice. Now we are ready. Let's start the story. Part 1. The Plan. Lisa loves Saturdays. Saturday is her favorite day. Today, Lisa has a good plan. She wants to ride her bicycle to the old stone bridge. The bridge is 20 kilometers away. First, Lisa looks at the weather. The sky is blue. The weather will be perfect. She prepares her small backpack. She puts in a sandwich, a bottle of water, and a book. She is ready for her adventure. Lisa goes to the garden to find her bike. Her bicycle is red. It is a very fast bike. She checks the tires. The tires look strong. She puts on her helmet and smiles. It is 9 a.m. Time to go. Part 2. The Problem. Lisa starts riding the bike. She rides slowly at first, then faster. She rides past big green fields and tall trees. The wind is cool on her face. She feels free and happy. After 30 minutes, she stops to drink water. She looks at her bike. Everything is fine. She continues to ride for another hour. Then, suddenly, the bike feels wrong. It is hard to ride. The bike moves slowly. Lisa stops and looks down. "Oh no," she says sadly. The back tire is soft. It has a puncture. The air is gone. Lisa cannot ride the bike now. She is 10 kilometers from home. She sits on the grass next to the road. She feels disappointed. Her plan is broken. She needs a tool to fix the tire. But she does not have a repair kit. She decides to walk. She pushes the heavy bike. It is very difficult. Part 3. A little help. Lisa walks for 10 minutes. It starts to rain. Suddenly, the sky becomes dark gray. The small rain becomes big rain. Lisa is getting wet. She stops under a big tree for shelter. She thinks, "This is not my perfect Saturday." Fortunately, she sees a small house near the road. It is an old house with a yellow door. Lisa walks to the door and knocks quietly. Knock, knock. A kind old man opens the door. His name is Mr. Johnson. "Hello," says Lisa. "I am sorry to bother you. My bike has a puncture, and I do not have a tool. The rain is very strong." "Mr. Johnson smiles. "Hello, come in, please. You are wet." Lisa goes inside. It is warm and dry. Mr. Johnson says, "I have a repair kit. Would you like to borrow my tools?" Lisa feels happy again. "Oh, yes, please. Thank you very much." Mr. Johnson gives her the tools. Lisa quickly repairs the puncture under the roof of the house. The rain stops after 30 minutes. Lisa gives the tools back to Mr. Johnson. "Thank you for your kindness," Lisa says. "You are welcome," he answers. "Be careful on the road." Lisa gets on her red bike. The sun comes out again. The tires are strong now. She rides back home slowly. She did not reach the bridge, but she met a kind person. Lisa smiles. It was an interesting Saturday, even with the rain and the broken bike. Good job, everyone. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. See you next time. Goodbye.